Welcome to a world unseen by the naked eye, a world teeming with life in countless forms. These are the microorganisms, the foundation of our planet's ecosystems. From the depths of the oceans to the soils beneath our feet, their presence is felt everywhere. They are the unseen engines that drive the planet. Microscopic life forms, including bacteria, protists, and fungi, play vital roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even climate regulation. Their diversity is staggering, and their adaptations are a testament to the power of evolution. Understanding their life cycles, particularly their reproductive methods, is key to appreciating their significance. These tiny organisms, invisible to our eyes, possess an astonishing array of reproductive strategies. Some reproduce asexually, creating clones of themselves. Others engage in sexual reproduction, mixing genetic material to create diverse offspring. Let's delve into the fascinating world of some of these microscopic wonders and explore their remarkable methods of reproduction. Amoebas, those shapeless blobs we remember from biology class, exemplify simplicity in life. These single-celled organisms, found in freshwater habitats worldwide, reproduce asexually through a process known as binary fission. Imagine a cell simply splitting itself in two. That's binary fission in essence. The process begins with the amoeba's DNA replicating. This ensures that each new cell receives a complete set of genetic instructions. The cell then elongates, with the duplicated DNA moving towards opposite ends. A furrow develops in the middle, gradually pinching the cell into two daughter cells. These daughter cells are genetically identical to the parent and to each other. They embark on their own microscopic lives, feeding, growing, and eventually dividing themselves. This straightforward yet effective method allows amoebas to multiply rapidly, colonizing new environments and ensuring the continuation of their lineage. In the microscopic realm of freshwater ponds and streams, we encounter the paramecium. This single-celled organism, shaped like a slipper and covered in tiny hair-like structures called cilia, exhibits a more complex form of asexual reproduction. While it can reproduce through binary fission, the paramecium also engages in a process called transverse fission. Transverse fission, like binary fission, involves the duplication of the cell's contents, including its DNA. However, the division in transverse fission occurs along a specific plane, perpendicular to the length of the organism. This gives the process its name, transverse referring to the crosswise direction of the split. During transverse fission, the paramecium's internal structures, including the nucleus, undergo a precise duplication process. Once the duplication is complete, the cell constricts along its middle, eventually separating into two daughter cells. Each daughter cell inherits a full set of organelles and genetic material, ready to navigate its watery world. Yeast, the single-celled fungi crucial for bread baking and brewing, reproduce asexually through a process known as budding. Unlike the simple division seen in amoebas, budding is characterized by an uneven distribution of cytoplasm, the cell's internal material. Imagine a small outgrowth emerging from the parent cell. That's a bud. The process begins with the yeast cell's DNA replicating. One copy of the DNA migrates into the developing bud. As the bud grows, it receives cytoplasm and organelles from the parent cell. The bud gradually enlarges, eventually forming a smaller but complete daughter cell attached to the parent. This daughter cell can detach from the parent, becoming an independent organism. Alternatively, it can remain attached, forming chains or clusters of yeast cells. Budding allows yeast to proliferate rapidly, particularly in nutrient-rich environments, making them essential players in various ecological and industrial processes. Algae, the diverse group of photosynthetic organisms found in aquatic environments, showcase a variety of reproductive strategies. While some algae reproduce asexually, others engage in sexual reproduction, highlighting the adaptability of these microscopic powerhouses. Asexual reproduction in algae can involve simple cell division or the formation of specialized spores. These spores, released into the environment, can develop into new individuals. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves the fusion of gametes, specialized reproductive cells, from two parent algae. This fusion of genetic material leads to offspring with greater genetic diversity, enhancing their adaptability to changing environmental conditions. The reproductive strategies of algae, both asexual and sexual, contribute to their ecological success, making them primary producers in aquatic ecosystems and key players in the global carbon cycle. The microscopic world, teeming with life in its myriad forms, offers a glimpse into the fascinating diversity of reproductive strategies. From the simple binary fission of amoebas to the budding of yeast and the diverse methods employed by algae, these microorganisms demonstrate the power of life to adapt and thrive. Understanding these processes is not merely an academic exercise. It has profound implications for various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. By studying microbial reproduction, we gain insights into the evolution of life on Earth and the intricate web of interactions that sustain ecosystems. As we delve deeper into this hidden world, we uncover new secrets and unlock new possibilities. The study of microorganisms and their remarkable reproductive methods continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life on our planet.